So you have one of the iPhone 14's or one of the iPhone 15's. You have an issue where when you get an incoming call, once you bring up the phone near your face, the volume ringer gets low. Okay, so how you fix that is very simple. So first thing is just go to your settings. Then we want to go to Face ID and passcode. Face ID and passcode. Tap on that. Go ahead and put in your passcode. And now from here, if we scroll down, now look at right here. It says attention aware features. Mine is on. And if you read this, it says iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So all you got to do is untoggle that, and there you go.